I want to tell you about a great product today that I love. I love candles of all kinds, and this is a candle lamp. Now, what's so great about this is it will let you smell the candle without burning it. No soot, no actual flames. This was provided for my honest opinion. I really like it. It keeps your candles fresh and beautiful. It is so much safer than having an open flame. And there's many places where you can't have an open flame, like in a dorm. If you have a kid going off to college, this will make them very happy. Or in a apartment setting, or if you just prefer not to have flames. If you have small children, this is definitely a game changer that you can have candles but not have open flames. And I just like the safety of it. If I forget about it, it will turn itself off. Now let me show you all the great details about this particular model and why I love it so much. If you love filling your home with incredible scents but hate the soot, the smoke, and the constant fire risk of burning candles, stop what you're doing right now and look at this simple room upgrade. It changes the game for candle lovers. This is a closer look at the adjustable height warmer lamp in linen, and trust me, your jar candles will never be the same again. If you're like me, you probably have a collection of amazing jar candles sitting around, but every time you light one, you deal with the uneven melting flame. Now look at this beautiful linen shade on this adjustable based beautiful candle lamp. Now this functions as a lamp and a candle warmer at the same time. It has this special kind of bulb here that heats the candle and illuminates the aroma without having an open flame. It also provides light. That's exactly why candle warmer lamps are very, very popular. This model is one of the best designs on the market. Let's talk about how this actually works. Instead of burning the candle with a wick and a flame, the lamp uses this overhead halogen bulb to gently heat the wax from the top down. That means zero smoke, zero soot on your walls and ceiling, and zero risk of fire. Plus, you aren't burning the wax away. Your candles last up to twice as long, giving off a cleaner, purer fragrance that fills the entire room in minutes. No soot smell. And the actual features of this specific lamp you will love. It has an adjustable height stem. Older candle warmers have a fixed height, but this one has an adjustable stem and a very long cord. It's 5 to 6 feet long. And if you're too far from the heat, you can use this cord to reach, and it also works with an extension plug. Now, this model also has a timer. It has an on-off button, a timer, and an adjustment on the illumination. You can have it high or you can have it low. Now, let's look at the different light variations we have. Whether you have a massive 3-wick jar or a medium apothecary bottle or a tiny tumbler votive, you can adjust the height so the bulb sits at the perfect distance to melt the wax evenly. There's even this built-in controller which gives you complete control over the safety and the mood. It features an integrated smart timer with settings for 2, 4, or 8 hours. You can turn it on when you sit down or read or relax or go to sleep, and it automatically shuts itself off. No more jumping out of bed, panicking about whether you left the flame burning downstairs or in another room. The controller includes a multi-level light dimmer switch. As you can see here, it adjusts to your preference. You can turn it on high to quickly melt the top layer of wax or rapid scent in your room, and you can dim it down to create a warm, cozy smell. Now, different types of candles all fit here on this large base. Design-wise, this linen style is stunning. It features a natural linen shade paired with a clean line metal frame and a solid base. Looks like a high-end luxury desk or bedside lamp, and it makes an effortless addition to any living room, bedroom, home office, kitchen, entryway table, and it's not just a functional gadget. It doubles as a stylish piece of modern home decor. It is both a functional lamp and a candle lamp that adds aroma to your room. This makes it ideal housewarming gift or birthday present or holiday gift. Anyone would love fragrance and interior design. If you want a cleaner, safer, and much lasting way to enjoy your favorite jar candle while elevating the room decor, this candle warmer is an absolute must. Now watch here, we'll show you how it's packaged so you can see how it will arrive if you send it as a gift. It also comes with an extra bulb, and that gives you time to replace it, and they are available online as well. This is one of my favorite gifts of the year. I love the idea of giving home decor and candles at the same time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and follow us to see more from this great brand and others like these. Now, we know that you want to be confident when you send a gift, so I want to show you how this came packaged because it's pretty impressive. So you know when you send this as a gift to someone, it will arrive just like this, safe and unbroken every time. It is very well packaged and comes with instructions. It is sealed in these foam blocks and taped together and custom fit for this packing. Now it also comes safety wrapped in plastic, and the cord is bundled up, and each of the bulbs are provided that are in boxes and safely secure till you get them in your home.